Welcome back to Decobloom. What if your small apartment could feel like a Parisian sanctuary, warm, effortlessly elegant, and deeply personal? Today we are stepping inside a compact apartment and transforming every single room with timeless Parisian style, from the very first step through the entryway all the way to the bedroom. Get comfortable, because this one is going to stay with you. Your entryway is the opening note of your home's entire story, and in a true Parisian apartment, it is never an afterthought. A gilded mirror, a slender cognac console table, and layered warm brass lighting transform even the smallest hallway into a powerful moment of arrival. This is where elegance begins, before you even step inside. In a Parisian interior, lighting is never about brightness, it is about atmosphere. 3 carefully placed layers of light, a chandelier, wall sconces, and a floor lamp wrap the room in warmth and create a depth that no paint color alone can achieve. This is the invisible architecture that makes a room feel truly alive. In every Parisian home, the fireplace is never just a source of heat, it is the emotional soul of the room. Styled with candles at varying heights, an oil painting, and a grand gilded mirror above, the mantelpiece becomes a composition you return to again and again. It gives the room its heartbeat, its quiet drama, its poetry. A bistro corner is one of the most beloved expressions of Parisian domesticity. A small round marble table, 2 rattan chairs, a brass pendant glowing softly overhead, and your dining area becomes the most intimate little restaurant in the city. The French believe that a beautiful table is not a luxury. It is a daily ritual of joy. A Parisian living room speaks to every sense at once. The deep softness of boucle fabric, the cool smoothness of marble, the gentle weight of a cashmere throw, each texture adds a quiet layer of luxury to the space. When you enter a room dressed this thoughtfully, you do not just see it, you feel it. Parisian gallery wall is never planned all at once. It is accumulated over a lifetime. An oil portrait from a flea market, a modern abstract print, an ornate oval mirror, a ceramic sconce, each piece carries a story. Together, they create a wall that feels inhabited, deeply personal, and beautifully alive with accumulated history. The Parisian kitchen is not just a place to cook, it is a stage for the daily poetry of life. Open shelves display ceramics, copper, and glass with the confidence of a curator. The handmade backsplash, the herbs on the windowsill, the unlacquered brass fixtures, every detail is deliberate. This kitchen makes even a simple morning feel effortlessly romantic. Parisian style is built on the wisdom of restraint. A foundation of ivory, warm white, and soft taupe creates a calm and sophisticated backdrop for everything else. Then, one single bold accent, a deep green velvet curtain, a navy armchair, enters the room and changes everything. It is proof that one courageous choice is all you need. There is no room more personal than the bedroom, and the Parisian approach is simple. Surround yourself with softness and warmth. Natural linen in every layer, a carved wooden bedside table, a single fresh flower, a small brass lamp. These quiet details create a space where rest feels like a true indulgence, and every morning begins beautifully. One of the most defining qualities of Parisian interiors is the art of mixing old and new without apology. A Louis XV carved armchair belongs naturally beside a clean marble side table. A centuries-old oil portrait shares a wall with a modern floor lamp. These contrasts do not compete, they converse, and the result is a room with soul. Never underestimate the power of a small room. The powder room is your greatest opportunity for drama: checkerboard marble floors, a gilded mirror, deep navy walls, and warm brass sconces on each side. In a space this intimate, nothing needs to be subtle. Every detail is magnified, every choice matters, and maximum elegance costs nothing more than bold intention. Every home needs a place that belongs only to you. A window seat cushioned in soft velvet, floor-to-ceiling bookshelves in cream, a cashmere throw, a small teacup on a tray. This is the reading nook as a true Parisian sanctuary. It exists not for productivity, but for the quiet and deeply restorative art of doing nothing beautifully. In a Parisian kitchen, one beautifully curated shelf says more than a room full of clutter. A hand-thrown ceramic pitcher, stacked bowls, a cloth-bound cookbook, a small pot of thyme. Each object is chosen, not accumulated. Editing is the most underrated skill in design, and the single shelf is a quiet masterclass in knowing exactly when to stop. A Parisian vanity is not merely furniture, it is a daily ritual. A gilded mirror, a tray of perfume bottles, a pearl-handled brush, a single taper candle, each object placed with quiet intention and care. This is the most intimate corner of the home, and dressing it beautifully is an act of personal elegance that never fades. The French do not simply eat, they dine. Even in the smallest apartment, the table is dressed with genuine care and beauty. Gold-rimmed porcelain, crystal glassware, a linen cloth, white peonies in a ceramic vase. This is the art of la table. It transforms an ordinary Tuesday evening into an occasion truly worth savoring and remembering. In Paris, the ceiling is treated as the fifth wall, the room's most theatrical surface. An ornate plaster ceiling rose, a cascade of crystal from a chandelier, delicate cornice molding along the edges. These architectural details lift both the eye and the spirit. In any space, no matter the size, looking up should always be beautifully rewarding. Every Parisian apartment dreams of a balcony, and even the smallest Juliet terrace can become a world of its own. 2 bistro chairs, a tiny cafe table, lavender and terracotta pots, a flickering glass lantern, and suddenly you have a front row seat to the most romantic city on earth. Step outside, breathe deeply, and let Paris come to you. And now, the moment we have been building toward, the full reveal. From the golden entryway to the linen bedroom, from the bistro dining nook to the botanical living room, every corner of this apartment tells the same timeless story. True elegance is never about size. It is about intention, restraint, and the quiet courage to live beautifully. And that is the timeless magic of Parisian style. It does not ask for a large space, only a thoughtful one. From a warm golden entryway to a serene linen bedroom, from a marble fireplace to a bistro dining corner, every room in this apartment tells the same beautiful story. If this video inspired you, please give it a like, subscribe to Decobloom for more, and leave a comment below telling me your favorite room.